5 business ideas for creative people. 1. Candle making business. Although considered to be commodity items, candles can become their own art form with the right creative touch. Potential entrepreneurs should experiment with scents, colors and molds to create something with a unique appeal and worthy of premium pricing. Profit margins of 50% or higher are very possible. Cost of materials is not particularly high, but make sure you can fully invest the time required to make your business profitable. Candle making is a very general field, so create differentiation through the kinds of candles you sell, pillar, floating, votive, tea, etc., or through the quality of your offering. 2. Craft store. Creative entrepreneurs that are interested in supplying for multiple art forms might consider starting their own craft store. Craft stores typically make money by buying craft supplies in bulk at wholesale prices and reselling them at a profit. Another, less common way this type of business makes money is by designing and creating original arts and crafts products. Some stores also offer classes in sewing or quilting. The profits from craft store businesses vary widely, depending on the cost of materials and pricing. Large chains can make upwards of $1 billion in profits yearly, and while your store will make significantly less than this, it does indicate that there is a very profitable market for craft supplies. 3. Etsy entrepreneur business. Anyone who enjoys making handmade goods or finding vintage items might enjoy running an Etsy entrepreneur business. This is a great outlet for artists of all kinds looking to sell their works. An Etsy entrepreneur business makes money by selling handmade or vintage goods. Most businesses sell only to customers, but Etsy has a platform for launching into wholesale. How much Etsy entrepreneur businesses make varies. Some businesses have only a couple of sales per month or even per year. Others have hundreds of sales each day. The most successful businesses bring in well over 6 figures a year. 4. 3D printing design business. Artistic entrepreneurs who have created physical works, such as statues and carvings, before may find success in the world of 3D printing. Arguably, the most important part of this job is being able to take a good idea and use a combination of software and artistic skill to make it into a reality. A 3D printing business makes money by printing and delivering 3D versions of shapes and objects to customers. You may also make money by taking design requests from customers who cannot find the shapes they want printed anywhere else. The exact amount of profit you can make is difficult to determine. Regardless, your actual profit is like that of any other specialty shop, if you find the right combination of diverse products, niche markets, and relevant advertising, and the sky is the limit on your profit. 5. Interior design business. Intuitive entrepreneurs with an in-depth understanding of color usage, textures, furniture styles, artwork, lighting, fashion trends, eco-materials, and indoor plants may find themselves well suited to interior design. You must align your own view of what the interior space will be made to look like with the client's preferences and needs, so that you are both satisfied with the results. The total profit depends on the number of interior designers working for the firm and that there is enough work to keep them all busy. Top interior designer firms are able to charge clients millions of dollars in fees, while some firms couple with architecture firms to provide additional revenue.